and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. I am Manisha presenting you all the news bulletin. Firstly, the headlines. Chief Minister of Sikkim calls on Union Minister Home Affairs Sri Amit Shah at New Delhi. A stakeholder consultation meeting for formulation of GIS-based master plan for Gangtok City 2041 held at Chintan Bhavan. A week-long program on National Girl Child Day 2021 and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao at Mangan. Chairperson for Sikkim Film Promotion Board calls on Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Covishield vaccine drive begins at Mangan for North District. Now in details. On 21st January, Chief Minister of Sikkim Sri Prem Singh Tamang called on Honorable Union Minister Home Affairs Sri Amit Shah at New Delhi. The Chief Minister submitted a memorandum on behalf of the state government and the people of Sikkim for the grant of tribal status to the left-out communities. In his memorandum, he highlighted the social and economic conditions, including the cultural traits of the left-out communities, which are similar to all the sections of the society in Sikkim. The Chief Minister further indicated the provision of Article 371F, the tripartite agreement between the Chogyal Government of India and the elected representative drawn during the merger with Union of India. Similarly, he requested the Union Home Minister for the reservation of seats for the Limbu and Tamang communities who have been recognized as tribal by the Union government in 2003. During the meeting, the Chief Minister thanked the Union government for allowing His Holiness 17th Karmapa Ogen Trinle Dorji, head of Kagyuk sect, for his earlier visit to Sikkim, cherishing the spiritual aspiration of the people of the Sikkim. A stakeholder consultation meeting for formulation of GIS-based master plan for Gangtok City 2041 under Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation Mission was held at Chintan Bhavan yesterday. The meeting was chaired by Minister for Urban Development Department Sri Arun Upreti and was attended by MLA Gangtok Sri YT Lepcha, MLA Upper Tadung Sri GT Dhungel, Additional Chief Planner, TCPO MOHUA and other officials. The meeting was organized by Urban Development Department, Government of Sikkim. The minister in his brief speech emphasized local participation and suggestions from the stakeholders to frame master plan for Gangtok City. The minister, while appreciated the beautification work of Gangtok City, also stressed on the bottlenecks such as transportation, drainage system and emphasized on further development and beautification of the residential buildings and surrounding areas. Chief Town Planner Srimati Yogita Rai gave a brief information about the GIS Master Plan, which is 100% funded by the central government. She stated that Gangtok is one of the 500 cities selected under this mission. It covers an area of 157 square kilometers covering a planned development of drainage system, transportation and infrastructure for Gangtok 2041. Additional Chief Secretary Sri G.P. Upadhyaya announced the decision of the government for scholarship worth Rs 47 lakhs yesterday under Chief Minister's Civil Services Coaching Scheme for the academic year 2021-22, which has created an opportunity for 50 deserving and talented IAS aspirants of Sikkim to undergo free of cost coaching from ALS IAS. The scholarship exam will be conducted on 31st January 2021 in all district headquarters of Sikkim under the supervision of the district collectors of each district with strict compliance of COVID-19 protocols. Application forms will be made available online on website from 22nd January 2021 with last date of form submission being 28th January 2021. Results of the exam will be generated on 3rd February 2021 and batches will commence from 8th February at Narbadur Bhandari Degree College. However, there is a minimum age criteria where the candidate should be born before 1st August 2001 to apply for this scholarship. Selected candidates shall undergo training via cutting-edge visa technology where live transmission of classes being conducted in ALS Delhi campus would be given and students will learn from best IAS mentors of the country. Dedicated academic mentors shall be stationed in Gangtok to monitor, motivate and guide the students during their training, along with monthly visits which will be made by IAS IPS officers serving in Sikkim to inspire the candidates. The North District began the celebration of the National Girl Child 2021 and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao anniversary. A week-long program from 21st to 26 January 2021 has been planned throughout the district. The meeting was conducted in District Collector's Chamber, Mangan, and was chaired by the chairperson of District Task Force, Sri Tenzing T. Kalyon. During the meeting, the activities for the almost week-long program were planned. On 21st January, yesterday, chairperson for Sikkim Film Promotion Board, Department of IPR, Ms. Pooja Sharma met the Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Sri Amit Khare at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Ms. Sharma was accompanied by Resident Commissioner, Joint Director IPR Sri Bisal Khawas and Srimati Anita Gupta, External Advisor of Sikkim Global Film Festival 2021. During the meeting, Ms. Sharma appraised the Secretary on the establishment of Sikkim Film Promotion Board and its future course of action. He accepted the invitation to attend the upcoming Sikkim Global Film Festival in Gangtok, scheduled to be held on first week of April 2021, and extended support to the state for the event. Further, the team led by Ms. Sharma also made the Secretary, Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, Dr. Indrajit Singh. Ms. Sharma explained about the recent developments in Sikkim and its initiative of Eco-Heritage Film City. Dr. Singh extended full support to the state and accepted the invitation to attend the film festival. The vaccination drive for COVID-19 commenced at the District Hospital Mangan yesterday. District Collector Sri Tenzing T. Kalyon administered the commencement of the vaccine shots with assistance from CMO Dr. Tempo Kalyon and the medical team of the district hospital. DC North congratulated the district hospital team for the successful launching of Covishield vaccine and also stated that the vaccination process would operate smoothly. He also requested everyone not to indulge in fake news and misconceptions about the side effects of the vaccine. The first person in the district to receive the vaccine was Jeet Kumar Kami, a driver of the Health Department, Mangan. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E-News. Thank you.